Tell me about your strength. Example 1. I am punctual and disciplined.
One of my strengths is that I'm very punctual. I always arrive at work and meetings on time. I also follow schedules carefully and respect deadlines. This helps me stay organized and build trust with my team. Being disciplined has made me more reliable in every job I've had.
Example 2. I communicate clearly and politely.
One of my strengths is communication. I always speak clearly and listen carefully to others. In my previous job, I often helped explain things to customers in a simple way. People said I was easy to understand and friendly. This helped me build good relationships with both clients and teammates.
Example 3. I enjoy learning and improving myself.
I always try to learn new things and improve my skills. When I don't understand something, I take time to study and practice. For example, I taught myself how to use Excel by watching online tutorials. Learning helps me work better and grow in my career. I believe improvement is a daily habit.
Example 4. I work well in a team.
I enjoy working with others and sharing ideas. In my last job, I often supported my teammates to reach our goals. I listen carefully, give suggestions, and help solve problems together. People feel comfortable working with me because I stay positive and respectful. Teamwork always brings better results.
Example 5. I stay focused and avoid distractions.
I'm very focused when I work. I like to finish one task at a time and avoid checking my phone or getting distracted. This helps me work faster and make fewer mistakes. My managers often say they can trust me to stay on track. Staying focused is one of my biggest strengths.
Example 6. I manage my time well.
I always plan my day before I start working. I set clear goals and use a to-do list to stay organized. This helps me complete tasks on time and reduce stress. Even when I'm busy, I know how to set priorities. Time management helps me stay productive every day.
Example 7. I solve problems quickly and calmly.
When a problem happens, I don't panic. I stay calm, look at the situation, and find a simple solution. In my last job, I often fixed small issues before they became big problems. I believe every problem has a solution if we think clearly. This strength helps me work with confidence.
Example 8. I work well under pressure.
I stay calm and focused even when things get busy or stressful. In my previous job, I often handled many tasks during peak hours without getting overwhelmed. I break big tasks into smaller steps and keep going until everything is done. Pressure pushes me to stay sharp and do my best. This helps me perform well in fast-paced environments.
Example 9. I listen carefully and respect other opinions.
I believe good communication starts with listening. I always give others a chance to speak and try to understand their point of view. Even if I don't agree, I stay respectful and open-minded. This helps avoid conflict and build stronger teamwork. Listening is just as important as speaking.
Example 10. I take responsibility for my work.
I always make sure my tasks are done properly and on time. If I make a mistake, I admit it and fix it right away. I don't blame others because I believe in being honest and responsible. My team knows they can count on me. Responsibility builds trust and shows professionalism.
Example 11. I take initiative without waiting to be told.
I don't wait for someone to tell me what to do. If I see something that needs to be done, I do it. In my last job, I often suggested ideas to improve our daily tasks. My manager appreciated that I was proactive and dependable. Taking initiative helps the team move forward faster.
Example 12. I stay positive even during challenges.
I always try to keep a positive attitude, even when things go wrong. Staying calm and optimistic helps me focus on solutions instead of problems. In stressful situations, I encourage my team and look for what we can do next. This mindset keeps the team motivated. Positivity makes tough days easier to handle.
Example 13. I always meet deadlines.
I take deadlines seriously and plan my time carefully to meet them. Before starting a task, I check what's needed and how long it will take. I try to finish early so I have time to review my work. In my last job, I never missed a deadline. This shows that people can count on me.
Example 14. I pay attention to small details.
I always check my work carefully to make sure everything is correct. I believe small mistakes can cause big problems, so I take time to review and double-check. In my last job, I often caught errors before they were sent to clients. This helped the team avoid delays. Being detail-oriented makes my work more accurate.
Example 15. I adapt quickly to new environments.
I'm comfortable working in new places with different people. I learn fast and adjust to new rules, tools, or routines without much trouble. When I started my last job, I understood the system within a few days. My coworkers said I blended in quickly. Being adaptable helps me stay ready for any situation.
Example 16. I use technology to work more efficiently.
I like using tools and software to save time and stay organized. In my last job, I used spreadsheets to track tasks and shared updates with my team. I also learned new apps on my own to improve my workflow. Technology helps me finish work faster and with fewer mistakes. It's one of my favorite strengths.
Example 17. I can lead a small team when needed.
In group projects, I often take the lead to keep things on track. I make sure everyone understands their roles and feels included. I don't give orders. I support and guide the team to reach our goals. In my last role, I led a team of 3 on a short project, and we finished ahead of schedule. Leadership is something I enjoy and take seriously.
Example 18. I explain ideas clearly when I present.
I enjoy sharing ideas and making them easy to understand. When I present something, I use simple words, examples, and a clear structure. In meetings, people often say my explanations help them follow the topic better. I also stay calm and speak with confidence. Clear communication helps the whole team move forward together.
Example 19. I set goals and follow through until I finish.
I always start with a clear goal and break it into small steps. This helps me stay focused and track my progress. Once I begin something, I keep going until it's done well. In my last job, I reached my sales target by staying consistent every day. Finishing what I start is very important to me.
Example 20. I handle customers politely and professionally.
I always treat customers with respect, even when they're upset. I listen carefully, speak clearly, and try to solve their problem quickly. In my last job, many customers said they felt heard and taken care of. I believe good service builds trust and keeps people coming back. Being professional makes every customer feel important